Hello there, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Aurora Santa Ana and I teach kindergarten. Okay, so today we're going to learn about subtraction. Why subtraction? Why are we learning about subtraction? Why is subtraction important? When am I going to use subtraction? Okay, and number two, we're going to learn about ways to write subtraction sentences. Remember, subtraction sentences, we will not need words, but we will use the numbers, okay? We need to know what number comes first and what number comes next and what is the answer. It's the difference, okay? Let's go back to the words that we need to remember. These are the important words that we need to know when we do subtraction. This word says equal, say equal. This word says minus. This one says difference. The difference is the answer in subtraction. Okay, this is what we're doing. This is the process, subtraction or subtract, okay, when we take away. And this is the equal sign. This is the minus sign. Minus sign is just a short sleeping line. The equal sign, we have two short sleeping lines, okay? And then this one is more. Why did I X out the word more? Because we don't get more when we do subtraction. We get less, okay? So I put a check, check, check on the word less because this is what happens when we do subtraction. We get less, okay? When we subtract with a pirate, we always taking less. When you subtract with a pirate, you find the difference, okay? So the difference is the answer in subtraction. Let me put this back here on, put it back on my chart. Say minus, equal, difference, less. This is what happens. This word says subtraction. Let me put it up here. Subtract, okay? And this one says minus. This one says equal. This one is the difference. The answer is subtraction. And this is what happens. We get less. We're not going to get more. Not more, but less. And this is the equal sign. And this is the, oh, sorry. This is the minus sign. And this is the equal sign. The two lines. Okay? Now, last time we talked about the 10 frame. I have 10 frames here. Can you identify the numbers for me? Okay, how many do I have here? 4. 2. Let's do it quickly. All right. Cha-ching. 9. How about this? How many dots do I have in my 10 frame? All the dots are on top. Cha-ching. 5. Good. How about this? There's a lot of empty frames. There's only 3 up there. How many is this? 3. Cha-ching. How about this? Ooh, I see a lot of dots. And I see some empty frames. How many is this? Cha-ching. 7. There's 5 on top and there's 2 at the bottom, okay? How about this one? There's a lot of empty frames here, but how many dots do I have? Cha-ching, I only have 1. Good. How about this one? Guess the number. I have 5 on top and there's 1 at the bottom. How many? Cha-ching, 6. Good. How about this? There's 5 on top and 5 at the bottom. How many dots? Cha-ching, 10. This is my last one. Okay, I have 5 on top and 3 at the bottom. What do you think is the number? Cha-ching, I have 8. Can we count? Let's verify. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or this is how you do it. 5, keep the 5 in your head. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's easier. Okay, how about this one? Just point it from left to right. So you know this is 5. So 5, 6, 6. How about this? 5, keep going, 6, 7. All right, put the number in your head. Lock it, lock it, lock it. Okay, so 5, lock the number 5 in your head and count forward. 5, 6, 7. All right, I have another one here. Okay, let's do this. Lock the number 5 in your head. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. So I have 9. Okay, so that saves you a whole lot of time. You don't need to keep counting because you know the 10 frame has 10 squares and you just have to count. You know there's 5 on top, you know there's 5 frames at the bottom, and you just have to figure it out. Okay, this is when you do addition because you add, you put together the numbers on top, the dots on top, and the dots at the bottom. So that is addition. But addition is different from subtraction. Subtraction is the total opposite of addition. Okay, so let's do this. You know this is a 9, right? So 9, 9. So let me put the number. What number do I put first? I put the number 9 because that tells the number of dots in my 10 frame. Guess what? I want to cross out the ones at the bottom. Okay, how many did I cross out? 4. Okay, so I need to write the number 4. Now, what sign do I need? Do I need a plus or a minus? I need to use the minus because I took some dots away. So what's the difference? How many are left? We have all the dots on top, and how many do we have on top? We know it's number 5, so you don't need to count. You can see it, 5, okay? Memorize that one. So let's read it. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Did I get it right? Yes, I did, okay? All right, so let's try this one. How many do I have here? 2. All right, and I'm gonna cross this one out. How many did I cross out? 1, so I put 1 here. What did I do? I put minus. So if I cross it out, you always put the minus sign, okay? And equal, how many are left? I still have 1. Got it? Now, how about this one? Let's try this. 5 and 1. How many is this? 6. You know, it's 6. Minus, I need to take out 1, but I'm not done yet. I'll take out 1 more. I'm not done yet. How many did I take away? 3. So I put 3 here because I took 3 away. 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3. And how many are left? I still have 3 right there, okay? You got that one? Okay, so parents, you can have them write the dots or make a 10 frame and then just put like, find some caps, okay, whatever you have at home, and then they can just play along, okay? They can put like circles on top and then take out some and then have them find the difference, okay? So this will help them practice their subtraction sentences. Now, this will be my last one. How many is this? 5, okay? Remember, I did the 5 dots yesterday. Remember we had that song? Okay? Can you help me sing that song again? 5 little ducks came out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks came out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. So I have 3. 3 little ducks came out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks came out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. Mama duck is sad now. 1 little duck came out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. Oh, when I know the little duck came back, sad mother duck came out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And all of the 5 little ducks came back. 5 little ducks came out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. They just went away, okay? They just went somewhere, but they came back, and Mama Duck is happy again. Okay, so this one is like, okay, this 5 frame, this 5 dots, okay, in my 10 frame, they are like my 5 kids, okay? So they are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My 5 children, remember when we talked about number bonds? I have my 5 children when they were still young. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But guess what? My kids are now grown. So this boy right here is now out of college. Okay, so he doesn't live at home now. So I X out 1. So 5 kids, 1 went away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the subtraction sentence for that? 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay? 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay? So I have 4 left. I'll X him out here. Okay? I can clean it up anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kids at home, or 4 dots, one went away. This one right here, the second child went away because she's out of college. She finished college and now she's working. She's being an adult. So two kids are now adult. They have their own lives, okay? They have their own place. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3. I still have 1, 2, 3, okay? But guess what? This young girl right here, she's not young anymore. She's in college also. So she went away. She went to school. All right, so I'm going to X her out. So 3 left at home. 1 more went away. So how many are left? I have 2 left, okay? So this girl and this boy are home. But guess what? This girl grew up, okay? And she is also in college, and so she's out of the house also. So 2 kids at home, but 1 went away. How many are left? I only have 1 at home. But eventually this boy will also grow up, okay? Because that's how life is. We are all living things and we all grow, okay? Living things, they live, we grow, and we change, okay? And then here we go. Later on, this boy will go to college and he will be moving out. So how many kids will be left at home? No more. So that's when Mama Duck will be very sad, because 5 minus 5 will equal 0. Okay? But it's okay. They'll be back. Okay? So that's how subtraction works. Subtraction is not getting more. This is for addition. Subtraction is getting less. Understood? Okay. I will show you this one. What is this? Oh, that's too many. Okay, here we go. It says 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 equals what? Why is this? What is happening here? Okay, because we learned that subtraction goes this way. All right? But we can also do subtraction this way. Let me get my board. Let's practice. So from this, okay, from this, we say 5 minus 1 equals 4, right? So let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I take 1 away. So how many are left? I have 4. We can also write it this way. Okay, sometimes they write subtraction sentences this way. So you have the 5 up here, and then you have the minus sign here on the side, and you put the number how many were crossed out, and the long line here is the equal sign. You're not going to see the equal sign the way we used to, okay? The one we learned first, you're not going to put the equal sign, but you will have a long line. Guess what? We will put these 2 lines together and just make it longer, okay? So that's the new equal sign here. So it's still 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still a 4. Got it? Okay, so if I have 4 circles here, 4 circles minus, how many did I cross out? Or how many did I take away? 3. So you put 3 here down, or under the number 4, and make a long line to put the difference. The difference is 1, okay? So that's the number 1. And you read it the way you read a regular subtraction sentence. 9 minus 5 equals, find the answer, find the difference. Here, 4 minus 3 equals 1. You got that one? All right, so for your homework, can you draw me a picture or show me, you can draw circles or squares or triangles or hearts, whatever you want. Show me 10, draw 10 minus 5 equals, what's the difference? Okay, the next one, I'll put it here. Next one, show me 8 minus 5 equals, what's the difference? All right, how about this one? 3 minus, you're not taking anything, how many are left? Okay, what's the difference? All right, and also I have 3 right here. Show me 8 minus 7 equals, what's the difference? And I have here 7 minus 2 equals, show me the difference, okay? When we subtract with a pirate, we always getting less. When we subtract with a pirate, we find the difference. The difference is the answer in subtraction, okay? Are you ready to answer your subtraction sentences? Okay, so when I go back, I'll be right back and teach you more about writing subtraction problem stories. Okay, all right, bye.